In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in OneDrive using an alternative method. While OneDrive's personal web version doesn't come with a built-in dark mode feature, we can get around this with the help of a browser extension that does the trick quite nicely. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to head over to either the Chrome Web Store or the Edge add-ons page, as this solution is based on a browser extension. The extension we're going to use is called Dark Reader. This handy tool works with multiple browsers, including Chrome and Edge, and it allows you to turn any website into a dark-themed website. It provides a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low-light conditions. Once you've navigated to the appropriate extension store, type Dark Reader in the search bar. You should see it pop up as one of the first results. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be directed to the extensions page. Here you'll find the option to add to Chrome or add to Edge. Clicking on this button will initiate the installation process. Don't worry, this won't take long, just a few seconds at most, depending on your internet speed. When the installation is complete, you will see the Dark Reader icon appear in your browser's toolbar, typically in the top right corner. This icon serves as the control center for the extension. Now we're ready to explore how this works with OneDrive. Open a new tab in your browser and go to the OneDrive website. Once you're there, look back at the Dark Reader icon in your toolbar. Click on the icon and a small menu should appear, which is your control panel for enabling dark mode on any site. To activate the dark theme for OneDrive, simply toggle the switch to the on position. Instantly, you'll notice the OneDrive interface switch to dark tones and shades. Using dark mode can be a fantastic way to reduce eye strain, particularly if you're working on your computer late into the night. One of the benefits of using Dark Reader is that it not only applies a dark theme, but also lets you customize it. You can adjust brightness, contrast, and sepia to get the display just right for you. Feel free to play around with these settings to suit your preferences perfectly. And that's all there is to it. With Dark Reader, you're able to enjoy a dark mode experience on OneDrive without having to wait for official support to roll out. It's a simple workaround, but incredibly effective for improving your visual comfort while using OneDrive online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your time on OneDrive a bit more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the future. Happy browsing!